Hi guys, Alicia here. Just want to kind of show you guys and walk you through how to sign up for Motor Clubs of America benefits package. So what you want to do is, first of all, if you're not sure which package that you want to choose, we have three different options. The $9.95 per month, which is our standard package, the $14.95, which is a little bit better than the standard package, and our $19.95, which is our total security unlimited package. So you would just click here on upgrade now, or better yet, if you want to see the different options, you click on the name. It'll tell you everything about and what's included in those different packages. But you'll click here on upgrade now, and you'll come to this screen right here. If you're signing up under me, this is what you should see here. My picture's here. My name is Evelyn Walls. I go by Alicia, but this is my first name, so this is what I go by on Motor Clubs of America. So what you'll pay for your first and your last month is $39.90, and the month after you'll start paying $19.95 each month. So you just want to put your information in here, and I'm just going to put in some random information. And the email address, let's see, I'll choose my email address, that's fine. And I'm going to put in my phone number right here. Okay, I put in my phone number. Now you have two options. You can do a credit card draft, or you can do a bank account draft. Now, just to let you know, the bank account draft, they do take a couple of days for everything to go through, but you should still be fine with that, so it's not a problem. So you would go here and put in your card number. Oops, put in too many numbers. Okay, and then you put in your expiration date and your billing zip code. Okay, and you're putting in your number that's on the back of your card. And what you want to do here, guys, this is very important, because what you're going to put there is your password that you would use to log into your TVC matrix for Motor Clubs of America, your password. So once you put in your password, and you just scroll down here and click on this button that say place order. Okay, so once you do that, this is the screen that you come up to next. You want to make sure that you write this number down, take a picture of it with your phone or whatever, because this is your member ID number. And if you're in need of roadside assistance before you receive your Motor Clubs of America benefits card in the mail, you would write this number down and you would give this to the representative that you speak with about the roadside service. You can also verify with other things or whatever, but it's always best to have this member ID number on hand. So I want to put in now where I want my membership card sent to. So we're going to do this, just put in an address for training purposes, and I'll come here. I'll keep the same zip code, the same city, same state. And down here, it's also important because whoever sent you to this, to their website or whatever that they sent you to, or however you got there, you want to make sure that that person's name is here. Now my full name is down here. Everyone doesn't have their full name available, but this is my name, Evelyn Alicia Walls, and it asks, is this correct? Now if there is a different salesperson, then of course you'll go in, you'll select no, and it'll ask you the following would help us find out who this person is. You'll put that person's name down here. If they gave you their member ID number, their referral code is their username, and or their phone number or their website where you found this page. But in this video we have that person, which is me, and we're going to select send my membership card. Okay, so once that comes up, Okay, it said that they're not able to verify this address. So we'll just put in another random address, which is more on the lines of a real physical address. So I'll click on save my address, and it tells me that my membership card is on the way. Okay, so if you want to become an associate, you just click on back to my account. As you can see, Joe Doe is up front, up top here, and all I want to do now, if I want to become an associate, is I'll click here to become an associate. So now this right here is what is very important when you are signing up to be an associate. Okay, you want to put in your social security number. Social security number. Oh my God. You put that here. Let's see. Okay, and just to let you know, this is not a real number, but you'll put that number in, and down here is where you will fill in your username. And as you see, as I'm typing, the username will populate right here as I'm typing. So since this is Joe Doe, we're going to say Joe Doe 21. Okay, and as you can see, now this is my personal sales site, meaning this is how I would send someone to my Motor Clubs of America back office for them to sign up so that you can get credit. Okay, so once you do all of that, you're going to click here, and now I am getting ready to register Joe Doe as a Motor Clubs of America associate. You click register now, and it'll tell you thank you for registering to be an independent sales associate with TVC, which is Motor Clubs of America. The website address for your personalized TVC Matrix internet sales site is listed below, which is here. We are texting you and emailing you the same information to help you get started. Click on the link below to take advantage of your sales page. Okay, so if I want to go in and I kind of want to browse around and see what's what, I'll click on my link. Again, there's my name, Joe Doe. And if I want to, if I say, well, hey, I don't really like the username that I chose, I'll click on account, and let's see, let's go to, remember I told you have to remember that username, Joe Doe 21. And we're going to go down here, and we're going to put in the password that we created earlier, and we're going to sign in. So now I am in my back office of Motor Clubs of America. So after I'm in, and you remember I said I wanted to change that username because I really don't like it. I want to keep it more professional. So I'll go here and click on login info. Now this is my current username. My password is still there. You can set a security question if you want. You can do any of those type of things if you want, but I just want to change my username. So I want my username to say J Doe 21, okay? Because I don't want someone to, I guess, really know my full name or something, okay? So once I put that in, I click on update. I have successfully updated my username, and I am on my way. Now I want to see all of my personal information. So I'll go here and I click on this. This is my valid name, Joe Doe, my first name. I can put in my middle name if I want. Last name is Doe. My address is here. My social is there. I want to definitely put in a phone number, so I'm going to click edit. So once I click edit, I want to put this phone number in because this is my information that if Motor Clubs of America needed to contact me or any of those type of things, this is where I will put that information in. So I'll say this is my number and my email address. I don't really want my email address to be that, so I can change that too. So I'll just click save. Everything is saved. So now let's just browse around and see what's what. So if I click on my associates tab, this is what comes up. I have no members yet, no active members. I haven't made any money, but here's my member ID number right there. If you ever need to go back and find your member ID number or your website address to send people to, or to create a website or any of those type of things, that's what you want to click on. This is where you want to come and give that information to whomever that's preparing your website. So now what I want to do, I want to see, because I know that you have to fill out paperwork and all of that stuff. I'll come here and click on associate eligibility. Now it's telling me I need to set up my direct deposit. I need to fill out my associate agreement form. I need to fill out my W-9 because we do pay taxes with Motor Clubs of America once you get over a certain amount that you've made for the year. So once you fill out these things here, you want to make sure that you come here, take a picture with your phone or your tablet or whatever, scan it into your computer, and you want to click upload right here. Upload will take you here, and you'll be able to choose the file where everything is saved, and it'll upload here, and then you want to click on upload your agreement. Okay, so once you do that, all you have to do is click here to return to eligibility screen, and you want to proceed with the other forms that you have to do. Now for your state license, you want to click on this link right there, whatever state that you put in, and I put in Texas. It'll pull up what I have to do, how much I have to pay, or whatever. In my case, since I live in Texas, it's telling me here that I have to pay $10 for my state licensing. Okay, so you can either send this form in, well, not this form. There's another form that's right here. Here's the form right here. You'll fill this form out, and you have to, this right here is your registration number, which is your member ID number. You'll put that there, and everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. Your SSN number will go here. And once you do this, you want to sign your name, print your name. This is not for you down here. This is for Motor Clubs of America when they receive it. You want to date it, and you have two options. You can print that form out, send it in to Motor Clubs of America. Here's the address right here with a money order or a check for whatever this amount say for your state licensing, okay? Or you can do like I told you before, and you can simply upload it. All you have to do is just upload it to this page right here. Click on upload, and you're back at the same place where you wanted to upload all of your other information, all of your other forms, okay? The only difference with this is some states, they want you to send in multiple documents that go with your state licensing. But I know with the state of Texas, you're able to just upload that file. You can chat with Motor Clubs of America right there on your computer. Let them know, hey, I just need for you to check and see if my forms have been received. They'll tell you that they have. They will update all of your forms, and they'll take a payment of whatever your amount is for your state licensing right over the chat. Okay, so it's really easy to get all of that stuff done. And once everything is done, you will have green check marks on all of these. But as long as you have this little red hand with the finger pointing to these different boxes, you will not be able to get paid, guys. So you want to get that in as soon as you possibly can. So I hope all of this information really helped you guys out. Oh, one more thing I want to tell you and show you. So if I go to my account, okay, and I go to, matter of fact, if I go to Associates tab and I want to upload a picture, I click on picture and I come here and I choose my file. I upload my photo, but it can't be really large. It's a really small pixel photo that goes right here of you. You can put your Motor Clubs of America logo there. Anything that you want to put there, you can put it there. And once you click upload, the next time that you refresh your screen, you'll see your photo that's up there. So that's pretty much everything about TVC Matrix right now. That's your basics. I will have more in-depth videos of how you can go in and see your sales, see your team sales, all of that type of stuff on the next video. So once again, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope this really did help you guys out, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.